So remove the spark plug. This is the tool to keep so we can feed air into the cylinder so the valves don't fall down. Then put that tool here. Undo this. I mean, when you put this, you have to put in air from the compressor here, and it always goes shh, because it is feeding air into the cylinder, so this doesn't fall out. Okay, I'll do that, and then I'll show you what to do, how to get this. See, I have made this tool for pressing the valves down, so you can remove the locks and replace the valve seals. See, press down with the tool so far that you can get to the locks. There are two. It is a circle sawed in half. Just use a magnet, so you will be able to take it off. See? Put it somewhere so you don't lose it. Okay, when you remove on both valves these locks, then remove the tool, and you will be able and remove the springs, and then you will be able to get to the valve seals. You have to remove the old ones out. Watch so you don't damage the valves. Don't scrape it or anything. Remove the old valves out, and then I'll show you how to put in the new ones, so you're safe to use it, so you don't damage them or something. You have to be very careful with new valves, new valve seals. Okay. Here you can see that I have removed the old seals. Use the seal guiders. Put a amount of oil on guiders and on the seals. Press them with your hand down, and then use this. You have to watch that this heating tool is the same size of this outer rim. You see this rim, you can't hit it on the rubber or anything, so don't use anything that can hit rubber. You have to be very careful, then you will destroy the seals and then they will leak again. Just use this, put it over everything, use a little hammer to tap it down, and you will hear the noise change when it gets to the bottom, to where it has to be. Okay, let's do that. And then put in a tool, this tool, press the valves back down, put the springs, first put the springs, then press the valves down, put the valve locks on the upper side, watch so you don't lose them, and that's it. And I forgot to tell you, when you are pushing it down, you always have to hear for the sound of the, you see, this is a normal sound when it is feeding the air into the cylinder, but if you hear anything else, stop and try to readjust the tool or something, because the valve is getting down and there is a chance that it might fall down. That is when you are first doing that. Use a hammer and something dull and hit on the valves here and here to loosen them on both valves, and then when you hear that other noise of shh, of sicking, you can put the valves, you can press them all the way down. Thank you. You see, they're in the place all the way down on the clean them, remove the guides, the red ones, put the springs and put